Hello, everyone. My name is Kelvin Ng Chu Ken, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office specialist. Now, in my video 74, I'm going to show you how you can convert date from month, day, year to day, month, year inside a comma separated value file. So I receive a data that is in CSV file, and I want to convert it, the date that is in month, day, year to day, month, year using PowerQuery. All right, so no formula are required here. Let's see how it goes. Now, I'm going to load the data into this particular worksheet, which is empty at the moment. The file is actually located here. So sales data. So when I double click the sales data, let's take a look at the original data first. So this is a CSV file. Let me just make it a bit bigger. So the first column that you can see here is all the order date. So these are all the order date, and it's 1st of January all the way down. And suddenly you see that the date moved to the left. That means this is not a complete correct date that you can see. So all these are reading as month, day, then followed by year. So I'm going to close this file. Not going to touch anything here. No, don't save. Okay, I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to do it from this blank file instead. So I'm going to go to this data. I'm going to go for this file called text as CSV. So I go to the sales data file, import it. Now, as you can see, the dates are all here. It's the same file. I'm going to go to this PowerQuery. So I'm going to transform the data. So what I have in this column is all the date that is not detected as a date. So I will just right click, look carefully here, change type. I'm going to use locale. Now I'm going to tell PowerQuery that the file that I just loaded called sales data is basically not reading it as day, month, year following my computer. So I'm going to change this one to date, but I'm not using the UK format. I'm using the US format. So the US format is just one step down, US format. There you go. And it's supposed to read month followed by day followed by year. So I'm going to hit OK now. See, everything now is a date. So if I were to load this information out onto my Microsoft Excel, then it should be reading this as a date now. So this is a date. That's all. Right? Thank you. I hope this can help a lot of people learn how to convert the information that we need from day, month, day, year to a day, month, year very quickly. Depending on the source file that you have, you must confirm that they are actually using month, day, year from the start to the end, and you can convert them very quickly. So please like and share my video. Thank you, and let everybody know the solution to the quick, simple problem like this. All right, thank you, and see you in my next video, Video 75.